YouTube, what's good? It's your host with the most, helping waivers from coast to coast, Wayman Mike, and we're back for another video, so stay tuned. Okay guys, today I'm going to be giving you a update on the Minoxidil beard journey. This is what y'all have been asking for. I'm giving you what you've been asking for. I've been seeing so many comments asking for this video. So since you asked for it, I'm giving it to you. So press the like button right now. You did it? Okay, good. Now, I gotta be honest. I got some good news and I got some bad news. Which one you want to hear first? Okay, I'm gonna give you the bad news first. Here's the bad news. Okay, quite honestly, I haven't been consistently putting on the Minoxidil. I have been putting it on, but not consistently. That's just the honest truth. When I do it, it like gives me like bumps and stuff, and that like demotivates me to put stuff on. Not like crazy bumps, but like little acne bumps. And I don't like that. So I haven't been consistently putting it on like every day. However, there's a catch. That was the bad news. Now here is the good news. Even with the little bit of times that I have been putting on the Minoxidil, it's still been working. I still see results. Either way, maybe it's because I've used it before in the past or something, but this hair is still growing. Definitely not as much as if I would have used it twice every single day, but nonetheless, it is still growing. I don't know if you can see or not because I can't really turn my head like that many angles, but look, there's still hair here. There's still hair on my cheeks and stuff. And if you look at my pictures, you can get a much better view because I take them at better angles and everything like that. Like if you remember in the first video when I made the announcement that I'm gonna start using Minoxidil again, none of this cheek hair was here. None of this over here was there. You can tell, you can't really see it because my light is really bright, but when I pull, you can see my cheek comes up. None of that hair was there. So that's proof hair is still growing. This stuff actually works. And I got no reason to lie telling you that this stuff works when it doesn't, because it's not like they're paying me or anything. The company probably doesn't even know who I am. So yeah, this is the truth. And I'm about to show you what brand of Minoxidil I use. So you guys have been asking what type of Minoxidil I use, and I use the liquid one by Kirkland. This is what it looks like. They gave me 6 of these inside the box. I can't remember how much it cost because I bought it like a year ago, but yeah, it was like 6 of these in there for however much it cost. This one is almost empty because I did use a lot of it so far. I've been using it on my cheeks, on my chin, on my mustache area, which is not going to show up under this harsh lighting, my eyebrow area, my hairline, and on the sides of my hair, but I haven't used it on there a lot, only like 1 or 2 times. But yeah, I think like this hair wasn't here before I started using Minoxidil the first time. So I think this hair is the result of Minoxidil 100%. Because if you look at me like a year ago, go watch one of my old videos. You will not see any of this chin hair here. It's like very short chin hair. And it stayed like that for years until I started using this. But hey, maybe I was just at the point where it was going to start growing anyway. But I don't think so. Here's another reason why I don't think so. When I started using Minoxidil the first time, I had like a full beard that was about to start growing in. Like there was hair all over my cheeks. Never seen before I used Minoxidil. Once I started using it, hair started growing. And here is where it gets interesting. I cut it off and stopped using Minoxidil and the hair never grew back. Interesting, right? That's what told me that this Minoxidil might be onto something. This stuff might actually work. Because if it was just regular hair growth, wouldn't it just grow back by itself? Nah, the hair didn't start growing back again until I started using Minoxidil again. So just think about that. Tell me down below, have you used Minoxidil before? Or maybe you're thinking of using Minoxidil? I don't know. And if you have used Minoxidil, tell me how long you've been using it and has it been working for you yet? And if you're thinking about using it, also tell me that too. I don't know, maybe stuff like that might keep me motivated enough to make more of these minoxidil videos because you guys seem to like them, but I won't know unless you tell me. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I might include a video of me putting minoxidil on my face, but it's like from a couple weeks ago because I recorded a video and I never uploaded it. But either way, that's the end of this video. Please go press the like button and share this video with somebody you know who might be interested in minoxidil, because it's always better to see a video of some guy talking about it rather than just reading an article about it. At least that's the case for me. I'd rather listen to somebody talk about their experiences rather than read it. And go subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because when I make more videos about this, you're gonna want to see it. And why just keep watching my videos and you're not even subscribed? Like, if you're gonna watch my videos, then subscribe. Don't be selfish. Don't make it so I'm doing all this to benefit you, but you can't even take 1 second to just press a dang subscribe button. Nah, be fair. I'm helping you, so you go help me. Subscribe. And like I said, press that like button too. I'm Wayman Mike. Enjoy your day.